what is the difference between shallow and deep copy? So, a shallow copy creates a new object which stores the reference of the original elements. Shallow copy is performed using copy function which is present in the copy module. So, here in the code if you will see, here we are using this copy, right. So, basically we are using copy function, okay, and where it is present? It is present inside the copy module. Okay. So, a shallow copy does not create a copy of nested objects, instead it just copies the reference of nested objects. What that means? That means a copy process does not recurse or create copies of nested objects itself. So, here if you will see, right, we have one list, okay, then old list, and this list having these values. Then what we are doing? We are creating a new list, okay, and to create the new list what we are using? You are using this shallow copy method, copy and then old list, then we are printing it. Okay. So, when we are printing this fast to result, if you will see here, right, this is the output. So, it is exactly same, whatever in the old list, in the new list also contains the same thing. Then what we are doing? Then we are just updating this field old list 1 of 1, we are just updating to what? AA. Okay, we are updating the value to AA, and then what we are trying to do? Again we are trying to print. So, again when we are trying to print, what we are seeing? This old list and new list. See, old list the value 1, 2, 3 and 4 AA, because we updated this value, right. So, that we are seeing, but in the new list also we are seeing the same value present. So, basically it just copies the reference of nested objects. We will see how it happens in the deep copy. Okay, let us see. So, what is deep copy first? Deep copy creates a new object and recursively adds the copies of nested objects present in the original elements. Deep copy is performed using deep copy function. So, here you can see we are using deep copy. So, again whatever we have added here, the same thing, only thing is here we have used copy.copy, here we have used copy.deep copy. So, this is your shallow copy, this is your deep copy. Okay. So, deep copy is performed using deep copy function which is present again in the copy module. Okay. The deep copy creates independent copy of original objects and all its nested objects. Okay. So, that is the main difference, right. So, here if you will see, again we have done the same thing, old list, new list, and we are printing. If you will see in the first, the output remains same for old and new, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, here also same. Then again we are updating this value to AA, and now we are printing the old list and new list. In the old list what we are seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4, AA 6, 7, 8, 9, because this value we have updated in the old list, but for the new list whatever was there previously we are seeing the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, it is not updating here in the new list, but here if you will see in the shallow copy it was updating. Okay. It was updating to the this value. Okay. Whatever present in the old list it was updating to the same. So, that is the major difference between your shallow copy and deep copy. So, in your deep copy it creates a independent copy of the original object. Okay. It is an independent copy of your original objects and all its nested objects. Okay. So, that is the major difference between shallow copy and deep copy. So, we will move to the next question. Explain inheritance in Python. Does Python support multiple inheritance? We will learn about this question in our next video. Thank you.